In Bethlehem, where joyous Christmas celebrations are the norm, this year presents a starkly different scene. The anticipation of welcoming Patriarch Pierbattista Pizzaballa has given way to a somber atmosphere, with the central square stripped of its festive charm. Gone is the iconic Christmas tree that traditionally adorned the square. In its place now stands an unconventional installation named Birth Under the Rubble. This cave-like structure serves as a poignant symbol, representing the impact of the ongoing Israeli attacks on Gaza. The usual gleaming lights and decorations have been replaced by a solemn acknowledgment of the harsh realities faced by neighboring regions. Father Ramy Asakrieh, representing the Latin Patriarchate, sheds light on the decision to forgo traditional festivities. In these difficult times, the focus shifts from outward celebrations to a collective effort in prayer for peace during these sacred days. The atmosphere of joy and merriment takes a back seat to the pressing need for unity and reflection. The war in Gaza has cast a dark shadow over Bethlehem's Christmas traditions. Instead of the customary tree-lighting ceremony, the community has embraced a symbolic representation of destruction. Artist Tarek Silah's creation, a model showcasing the nativity cave amid apparent devastation, serves as a stark reminder of the continuous Israeli bombardment in Gaza. Despite the absence of the usual festive lights, the spirit of hope perseveres. Candles are lit, and prayers echo through the Church of the Nativity Square. The gathering includes religious figures, officials, diplomats, and concerned citizens, coming together in solidarity during these trying times. Bethlehem's streets, which typically glow with festive luminance, remain unlit this year. Christmas celebrations, normally a time of joyous revelry, have taken a different form. Instead, the emphasis is on religious rituals, reflecting a moral and national commitment to stand strong amid the somber reality of ongoing bloodshed. In the face of adversity, Bethlehem stands united, seeking solace and strength through shared prayers and a collective sense of purpose. This unconventional Christmas serves as a testament to the resilience of a community determined to find hope amidst challenging circumstances.